In this video I will show you how to uninstall McAfee completely in Windows 10. McAfee is typically bundled with other software such as Adobe Creative Suite or Microsoft Office during installation. If you have other antivirus or internet security tools, you can disable McAfee. Here are the steps. Go to Search and type Control and select Control Panel from the list. Then select View by category at the top. Then click on Uninstall a program link. Then search any of these McAfee tools and right-click on it and click on Uninstall as shown here. In the pop-up, click on Uninstall button. If available, then do this for McAfee Total Protection and McAfee Internet Security tools as well. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.